This is Mr. Peck, and in this video I'm going to go over how to get around a bug that happens to some users if they're trying to open up a PDF in Google Classroom. So if you're on an assignment and it has a PDF file attached to it, normally you just click on it, everything opens up, everything's fine. That's great. Now if you open it up and you see just kind of this black screen, and it's somewhat see-through on there, but you don't see anything on there, that means you got the bug that you have to work through. And there's a couple different ways you can get through that. The easiest way is when you click on the PDF, right-click on it, and then pick Open a New Tab or Open a New Window. And that will essentially open the PDF in another tab at the top of your browser on there. Now for those of you that are using a Chromebook with your touchpad, if you take your two fingers and double tap on the touchpad, that does the same thing as right clicking on a mouse. Now the other way to get around this, and this will kind of fix things going forward, and this is a little more technical, but you can clear the cache on your Chrome browser. To do that, you go up to these three little dots in the upper right hand corner and you click on it, go down to More Tools, and then go over to Clear Browsing Data. And then the next screen that comes up, you can click Clear Data on there. And then that should fix it going forward. So anyway, this doesn't happen to everybody, but in case it does, this will help you get through that so that you can view PDF files in Google Classroom. Thank you, and please check out some of the other helpful videos.